go.
Let's go.
Correctional center, right? We consider center, son. Let's go.
But they're already shouting us.
Who is shouting? You go consider center. Let's go.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
You want him to remain there, sir? Let's move now. Let him move. He's blocking the way. There's no road down your block.
Just sit down. Sit down. The word we had. Sit down.
Just hold on.
Machine gun on one person. This is not right. Free me. Free me. It's not right. It's not right. Serve this nation for 9 good years. You are here with machine guns. No, it's not okay, please. I need to talk my mind. No, I need to express myself. This is not right. In the face of this nation, it's not right. You don't do this. The court has given its order. Obey the order. Simple. If you have anything, go to court. You have gone to magistrate court to collect order. You are not even obeying the same high court order. This is completely wrong. It's insane. What type of thing is this? Jesus Christ. Look at this.